Welcome to Voice Bootcamp, a global name in collaboration and contact center training. Hello, my name is Faisal Khan. I'm the Cisco and Genesys Cloud instructor at Voice Bootcamp. And in this video of Genesys Cloud API called Self-Study Kit, we're going to focus on the utilizations. After completing this particular chapter, you should be able to understand the API utilizations, check your billing details regarding your API endpoints. Genesys offer public APIs that enables the customer to integrate with Genesys Cloud CX with their software platform as well as third-party apps. A recent estimate notes that there are more than 7 billion API calls per month that are made to the Genesys Cloud, and it is increasing exponentially every year. The statistic shows that APIs invoked by custom and third-party applications have exceeded the application limit. Genesys takes responsibility to maintain, upgrade, and innovate the API so that the best customer experience possible. With the cost and the overuse of the API, there are fair use policy in place. A fair use policy that Genesys provide generous of package, or fair use policy that allows the customer to use the API up to a fair use amount without a charge. However, the customer who do need to use the Genesys Cloud API beyond that fair use location will be charged at 0.0001 cents per API request. API request generated by the Genesys Cloud CX client that supports the base functionality of the Genesys Cloud browser, web, mobile applications are not considered in the billing calculation. So only the API calls that are made using your organization's OAuth client are considered for the billing. Now, Genesys Cloud CX 1, 2, and 3, which is your and communicate license, like CX1, CX2, and CX3, basically include a robust allowance of your Genesys Cloud public API requests. Now, as an example, if you're a customer with a 20 Genesys Cloud CX named available user, which will be able to allow up to 2.2 million API requests. Genesys Cloud API enables the user to create a personalized journey for their customers and automate more tasks, drive efficiencies, and introduce new technologies into their experience. So our per seat allocations are generous enough for the customers so that they do not require any additional cost. You can use the utilization monitor to collect